Hello everyone, I am Sunita. Today I am going to present about copyright and internet in research methodology. The copyright is a term describing rights given to creators for their literacy and artistic works. It's an intellectual property. If an individual owns the copyright to something, then he is the only owner of it and also the decider that who can copy it. Copyright doesn't protect all forms of information from copying, but it provides a useful bundle of rights that protects data on the internet and electronic bulletin board systems. In most cases, the impact of laws on the internet is greater because the internet is borderless and infringing materials can travel across different geographical regions. Detecting infringements of property rights is a fairly complex task both in the online as well as offline world. Purpose and importance. It is used to protection of creative works. It ensures authors maintain control over their creations, prevents unauthorized reproduction and distribution. It encourages innovations as it provides financial incentives for creators and promotes cultural and technical advancement. It gives economic implications as it supports creative industries as significant economic contributors, balance interests of creators and the public. Challenges posed by the internet. These are ease of distribution and copying, instant sharing of digital content across multiple platforms, difficulty in tracking pirated copies due to high volume and speed, lowered barriers for obtaining copyrighted material without authorization. It has anonymity of users, increased challenge in identifying infringers due to anonymous online interactions, legal enforcement complications linked to verifying users' identity, difficulty in establishing accountability for copyright violations. Variations in copyright laws and enforcement across different countries, the challenges in prosecuting infringers operating beyond national borders, complexities in international cooperation for handling copyright disputes. Piracy and its impact. It forms of digital piracy, unauthorized downloading of music, movies, software, and books, re-streaming of live events without proper licenses, using torrent and file sharing networks to distribute copyrighted materials. It has economic impact on creators and industries because revenue loss affecting artists, writers, and content producers, reduced income leading to fewer incentives for creating new content, broader negative impact on related industries such as retail and distribution. It has the anti-piracy measures and effectiveness, legal actions such as lawsuits and fines against pirates, technical solutions like content ID systems and digital fingerprints, mixed effectiveness with some measures driving pirates to harder to trace methods. The role of online intermediates, social media platform. It enables sharing and distribution of user generated content, enforce intellectual property rights through policies and tools, balance user free speech with copyright enforcement. The search engines, which has index web content and provide search results, they implement algorithms to detect and remove infringing content. They collaborate with copyright holders to ensure compliance. The content sharing websites host and distribute various types of media such as videos, music, and documents, provide mechanisms for copyright owners to claim ownership and revenue. They develop automated systems to identify and handle copyrighted material. The platform policies and compliance, content moderation and takedown procedures, establish guidelines for acceptable content. They implement processes for removing infringing content upon notification, and they operate automated systems for detecting and flagging violations. The safe harbor provisions adhere to legal frameworks that protect platforms from liability for user actions and ensure compliance with DMCA and similar international laws and offer clear and accessible pathways for copyright claims and counterclaims. The user reporting mechanisms provide tools for users to report potential copyright infringements, evaluate and respond to reports in a timely manner, and maintain transparency in the handling and resolution of reported issues. Understanding the fair use. The legal definition is provides a legal framework that permits limited use of copyrighted material without acquiring permission. The established to balance the rights of copyright holders with the public's interest in accessing information and culture. It varies by jurisdiction through many countries follow similar principles. The criteria for fair use is as follows: the purpose and character of the use, including whether it is for commercial or non-profit educational purposes, the nature of the copyrighted work being used, the amount and sustainability of the portion used relative to the entire work, the effect of the use on the potential market for or value of the copyrighted work. The examples in digital context are use of short clips from movies or TV shows in online reviews or commentary. The transformative works such as parodies or mashups that add new expression or meaning. The educational videos that use copyrighted images or footage to teach a concept. The implications for user generated content are as follows. The remix culture and Creative Commons. Remix culture encourages the creation of new works by combining existing resources. The Creative Commons license provide a flexible range of protections and freedoms for authors. Many creators use Creative Commons licenses to allow others to remix, adapt, and build upon their work legally. Legal risks for users, potential infringement claims its fair use is not appropriately applied. The platform takedown policies that could lead to removal of content, the financial penalties or legal actions taken by copyright holders. Monetization of user generated content. The revenue generation through ads on platforms like YouTube while using copyrighted content. Use of content ID systems to share advertising revenue with original creators. The marketing and brand partnerships that align with user generated strategies. Best practices for rights management. Effective use of technology. Utilizing digital rights management tools, implementing robust cybersecurity measures, and leveraging automated licensing systems gives the effective use of technology. The building partnership between creators and providers, engagement with customers and policymakers, then forming industry alliances for better advocacy is one of the best practices for right management. The education and awareness programs, training programs for right holders, public awareness campaigns on copyright laws, educational resources for emerging creators. Thank you.